Welcome back to the channel, guys. So in today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you on how we were able to make over 2k on a particular single trade, guys. Now we were able to do this simply using our trading channel, that is the CUtrades. I'm sure most of you are into this trading channel. As you can see, that particular trade we made over 86.39% on our portfolio, and we simply did this simply by shorting the market after BTC hit its current all-time high of about 123,000. Now, how were we able to do this? On CUtrades.pro, I and my fellow traders, I have a group of traders, and we analyze the market and we drop the best possible trades that everyone should enter, best possible entries. As you can see right here on the channel, we have been making so many profits and entering so many trades. Even BTC was able to hit its all-time high. If you head over to the CUtrades.pro website, we drop accurate crypto signals right there, but that is not the main gist of the day. I would like to show you some of these signals that we were able to enter right here. The particular signal that was able to actually flip my account and make me over 2k was actually this particular signal right here. That is the Floki USDT signal. As you can see, I simply entered this signal with just a 3x leverage on my account, risking about 10% of the account, and I was able to make a huge percentage profit. Now, in order to get into this our signal website, the website is basically CUtrades.pro. You guys are already into it, but if you're a newcomer, simply head over to Google right here. Once you head over to Google, search for the website CUtrades.pro. It is that easy, and then you are into the website. You load up, you create an account, you make sure you create you get a subscription plan, and you start receiving these signals. And the best part is the subscriptions are very cheap. You can get a subscription for about $20, $40, or $120 for a very long time. But now into the signal right here, on this particular signal, the Floki USDT signal, if you open the view details right here, you will see that we simply entered this trade right here at this point. Now I'm going to give you the full analysis on how I and my traders were able to predict our entry, get into this trade, and was able to make over 86% profit on this particular trade. Now, after the Floki USDT, we have also been making lots of trade. As you can see right here, we also made a trade on the WU USDT signal. We dropped the signal here with a 6x leverage, and we're able to close a trade. Although the percentage profit was not that much, it was a 16% profit, but it was still okay. And we were also making lots of profit on the BCH signal, and also the Atom USDT signal, and many more. So guys, it is that simple to get into this signal. On my channel, I drop daily content on how you can make money from crypto. Obviously, trading is a very important aspect of that. As you can see right here, we were able to make over 1,000 USDT from the ATAP Telegram bot. And the ATAP Telegram bot, the link is down in the description of this video. You also find the link on my channel. It is basically a Telegram bot that pays you to play games and complete easy taxes. You also have the CU Point Telegram bot that is connected to our CU trading channel. Now this Telegram bot is going to be able to drop you free signals from time to time, and this feature is going to be coming up probably this week, so you guys should stay tuned, because you can actually get signals, free signals, from this particular Telegram bot right here. Also, we were able to earn about 234 USDT by completing ads tags and also some social tags on this particular Telegram bot. And also the best out of the best, that is the Mark token Telegram bot. Now they have their own virtual token, that is the Mark token, and soon it will be listing, but still you can earn the Mark token, swap it to BNB, and make your withdrawal ASAP. Now these are our Telegram bot earnings of last week. Now in my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how much I've earned from Telegram bots alone for this week. I've actually earned a lot, but for today's video, we're only going to be focusing on trading and also how you can get started at CUtrades.pro. Now this particular trade here was the Floki USDT. As you can see right here on the chart, we basically entered this signal right here. Now the analysis was basically simple. It was simply a break and retest. After BTC had hit its all-time high, we simply predicted the market will crash, and it basically broke this trend, and from there it performed a retest on the 15 minutes time frame. But actually what confirmed our entry here was not just this retest, but also the MA crossing that occurred within the higher time frame. As you can see, within the 1 hour time frame, you can see the MA, the 21, and also the 50 MA crossed. Now obviously whenever the MA cross, it signifies that the price is either about to long or short, and also there's going to be a very steep movement. Now obviously, since there was a break of the trend and a retest on the downside, it simply means that the market was about to crash. Now that is very easy. Getting your entry is actually very easy. The actual problems traders usually have is how to set the perfect stop loss, and we basically set it using the descending trend right here. Now, how to set the perfect take profit? Now obviously you are supposed to set the take profit on the 200 MA, but sometimes in some occasions, because of how steep the market was going as of 2 or 3 days ago, on how the market was pumping and how Trump was dropping new info, new tariff laws and things like that, the market was seriously pumping. So it's not actually a must that it can actually get to the 200 MA. Basically, the first part that you should actually take your first profit is actually on this particular order block right here, and you simply close about maybe 50 to 75% profit. Then you break even, adjusting your stop loss from this zone right here back to your entry position. Now this is basically what we did. We entered this trade right here, we closed about 75% right here, and we were able to end the trade with about 85% profit, as I posted right here on the channel. Now, other than the profit we made on Floki USDT, Wu USDT, Virtual, BCH and others, we were still able to drop about 2 new signals for today. We dropped a signal on AVAX USDT and also STX USDT. So I'm going to show you a preview of the chart so far and how far they have gone. Now this signal was dropped specifically for those that had the beginners plan. As you can see, the beginners plan on CUTrades basically cost around 20 USDT. The premium plan gives you about 1 crypto signals every single day for a whole month, 30 days. However, you also have the ultra plan, which I actually use. It gives you about 5 crypto signals every single day, and it lasts for about 90 days. That is about 3 months. Now you can start with any of this plan. If you do not have enough funds with you can actually go for the beginners plan, which gives you 1 crypto signals every single day, and it lasts for 10 days. And it was actually for this particular plan right here that we dropped these 2 signals. Now the AVAX USDT and the STX USDT, let me simply show you the XTX USDT and so far the progress on this particular chart. Now basically, when the signal was dropped, we told you guys the pair name, the entry position and the stop loss, and this will be shown on the Telegram channel. As you can see on the Telegram channel, it showed you the pair name and also it gave you the instruction to unlock the signal. Now this obviously simply leads you to this particular section right here. Now it presents you with the charts. Now as you can see, currently the price at the point of entry was about 0.7869. This signal was dropped very early this morning, and now if you head over to the XTX chart, you will see that we actually entered the position around this price, and now we have gone about 50% of our supposed movement. Now this trade is still going, and obviously it should hit the take profits at a certain price. We'll also announce when you should break even and secure a certain amount of position on this trade, adjusting your stop loss, just to measure up with the risks and also make sure that you always end in a profit position. Now as for the AVAX, we were able to enter the AVAX trade for the beginners plan. Now on the AVAX trade, if you head over to your all signals and you head back to AVAX, as you can see, we actually entered the AVAX trade recently with a 2x leverage, and we entered a long position. Now right here on the AVAX trade, as you can see, it has actually taken up a bit. Now these trades are early, and I actually show the details of this trade right here live on this screen, so you guys can actually enter this trade. But I actually advise that you do not do this, because once the price moves away from the entry position, it is actually very risky to enter that trade. The reason so is because your risk to reward ratio will not be the same. It might increase to a 1:1, and we do not like entering such trades. We always like entering a 1:2, 1:3, and even more than that. So guys, make sure you stay tuned. If you need daily signals, I'm going to show you quickly on how you can subscribe to CUTrades.pro and start getting daily signals every single day. Now before we get into that, I would also like to introduce to you the new CUTrades YouTube channel. Now on this particular YouTube channel, I'm going to be making personal videos of every single trade we enter both those will end with profit and those will end with losses as well. Now right here on this channel right now, you're basically just seeing the shorts, but eventually you'll be seeing full lengthy videos on how you can trade cryptocurrency, on how you can turn your mere $100 to about $2,000 within a week of trading cryptocurrency. Yes, it is real, and we have done it on our channel very many times. So guys, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to CUTrades. Basically head over to YouTube right here and search for CUTrades. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, because there are many trading videos that are going to be dropping, and also some free signals will be coming with each video. So right now, let me show you on how you can register to CUtrades.pro. Now to get started, simply head over to Google, search for the website CUtrades.pro, and now once you have done this, you simply need to create an account. Let's quickly run through it ASAP. So right now we're into the CUtrades homepage. You get 100x accurate crypto signals right here. You simply need to click on the get started button. Okay, so right now I've clicked the get started button. The next thing you simply need to do is to add in a proper username. Then you add in your SAP phone number, you add in your email address, your password, and you confirm your password. Now having done this, you're going to be loaded into your dashboard, and once you're loaded into your dashboard, you can now proceed and get a plan for yourself. So right now you're into your dashboard. You're simply going to head over to the subscription page right here. Once you click on it, it takes you over to the subscription page, and now you simply need to subscribe to any of the plan. As I have said, the beginners plan lasts for 10 days. You get one signal every day. The premium plan lasts for 30 days. You get one signal for each day, and for the ultra plan, you get like 5 crypto signals for 90 days straight up. So you can simply go for each plan. If you should choose the beginners plan, make sure you have enough funds in your wallet. You can actually pay with your current balance, but as you can see on this video, my balance was 0, so you can choose to pay with wallet. Choosing to pay with wallet will obviously direct you to the deposit section, and then you can pay with either PayPal or crypto. They accept payment in any type of cryptocurrency, and you can also simply make a quick payment via PayPal. So it's that easy. Once you do this, once you're subscribed, you start getting these daily signals, and please make sure you do not miss out on any of these signals. Please do remember to subscribe to CUtrades YouTube channel, because I'm going to be dropping daily updates on how to trade and also reviews on our daily signals. Make sure you get into it. Don't miss any of the signals right here on the channel. We're going to be dropping signals every single day, guys. So do me the favor, guys, hit the red subscribe button, and I'll see you on our very next video.